up, doll collectors, hobbyists, and fabsome besties? Today we are taking a look at fun finds from Dollar Tree, which is no longer $1. Sorry, I'm still having a difficult time getting over that. On this trip, I got items ranging from $1.25 to $5, like fabric bundles for $5. There are 5 fat quarters in this bundle, and usually I can find a fat quarter for about 99 cents or so this might have been a tiny bit more expensive. You know, each one is 18 by 21 inches, and it's the type of fabric that will easily unravel, so it could be good for like rugs and stuff like that. I wouldn't mind getting a comforter out of this one, or maybe this one. Acrylic yarn for $1.25. I believe we've bought this one before and made some pillows out of it, so it's good to know that we can still find it. Pop-up stickers for $1.25. These are pictures of windows. I think they're a little small for 1/6 scale, but they might work pretty good for our mini dolls. Or if we just use them to create a backdrop for our 12-inch fashion dolls, it could probably work. Here is a Barbie so you can see the size. We can make a binder room, which is like our hidden doll rooms, only thinner and without a floor. Add scrapbook paper to make walls. Then take the stickers and attach them to the walls. And have fun decorating this space with stickers that we can use as a quick backdrop for our dolls. Speaking of backdrops, I found these wood panels. They are wooden canvases for $3. They measure 11 by 14 inches, which means they're tall enough to be a wall for a doll. I was thinking if we took 3, maybe we could glue them together and make a corner room that is wooden so we can paint it. We can choose to glue the walls on the side of the floor to maximize floor space, or on the floor to maximize the wall height. I chose to glue mine on top. I'm applying tacky glue onto the edge, then glue them in place to create a corner room. Now, I am noticing that not all the boards are cut exactly square, so matching them up can sometimes be a challenge. But overall, it's not too bad for a $9 corner room. And if we make 2 and place them side by side, we have a wooden box room for $18. It is a little short on the sides, so we can pretend like that is where the door is and rearrange them to create different rooms. We can even add another wall to close off rooms. Oh, and that's an option too. Since it's wood, we can paint it. So I'm mixing up a paint color. I want it to be a really soft pinky brown, so I added pink and gold. Probably need some more. Then paint the walls. We can leave the floor the natural wood color or paint it with Mod Podge to give it a little bit of a shine, but I'm gonna use contact paper to give me a clean, smooth finish. I cut balsa wood into thin strips. I hope I'm saying that right. Paint it. I'm going with white, then glue it on and around the walls to make baseboards and a door frame for our little faux door. So for $18 worth of wood panels from the Dollar Tree and some craft supplies, we can make our dolls our own wooden box room. I'm going to take the furniture from our Barbie Big City Big Dreams Versus video and resize it a little. I pulled off the sides, shortened one. Now I'm gonna glue them back on. Then I glued the cushions from the other one on the back to make our new couch. Let's add the chair from our Resize It video. I bought this canvas at the Dollar Tree. Let's pour a little paint on it, a little green and gold. Then just move it around to make art. Place it above the couch. That's looking pretty good. Let's bring the colors together with a pillow and a rug. We got this from one of our Amazon haul videos. I picked up this acrylic photo frame and I'm wondering if we can turn it into a coffee table. I place my ruler where I want to cut it, then go back and forth with an X-Acto knife. I had to be very patient and just keep going back and forth, and I was able to cut it. From the leftovers, I cut another small piece that I'm going to just glue right underneath to make an acrylic table for the room. And we kind of ended up with a bonus, a clear magazine rack for the dolls. Add a few books to the coffee table. Speaking of books, I picked up this small Birdhouse Craft Kit. It comes with pre-cut wood pieces that I thought we could use to make bookshelves or even a bookcase. I took the 4 roof pieces. We could paint them and glue them directly onto the wall, or we can glue them between wooden dowels. To make a bookcase, I ended up using 2 birdhouses. Let's paint it. While waiting for our bookcase to dry, let's take a look at a few more things. I picked up this lantern for $1.25. I cut off the top. It did take a little bit of muscle, but now we're gonna just flip it over and we have a little table. I'm going to remove the light, place it onto a piece of cardstock or leftover packaging and trace around it. Cut it out, cover it with contact paper, then glue it on top to make a little side table. I picked up these small plants for $1.25. We can remove them and add more artificial plants so we can switch it up a little. I made a smaller paper pot for the plant it came with, giving us 2 plants in one. I found laser cut icons. They're not wood, they're more like a pressed paper. They could make wall art in a dollhouse, and I thought the clocks were kind of neat. We found sticker tiles. We could probably use these in our dollhouse kitchens. I'm just placing a few onto scraps of paper, then cut them out to make miniature coasters. I put some extras on the table. Our bookcase is dry, so now we can put it into the room and add books and fun things like that. We can place one of our hot glue candles on one of the tiles for a fun look, completing our wooden box room. If the line in the center bothers you, you could always use the furniture to cover it up. I made sure to keep the furniture away from the line because I like the option of being able to move the rooms. On another trip to the store, I found different fabrics. Now these actually feel a lot nicer than the ones we found earlier. This one's pretty nice. I found yarn in different colors. I found an umbrella for $1.25, but I couldn't find the table and chairs. But even without it, this could be great for a beach scene, like maybe the doll is sitting under the umbrella at the beach. And I think we could even spray paint it. I did find a grill. It's pink, so we would have to probably paint that as well. The top can open, but it doesn't stay closed. And it's kind of short when compared to a Barbie. They had Barbies, the basic beach Barbies with 5 points of articulation for $5. Now, I've seen this doll before, and I think you can get her a little less at stores like Walmart. I found 2 Barbie fashion packs. These were priced at $3 each, and in the past, we've been able to find them for $1, $1.25. But $3 is still less than what I see at most stores. And it's less than what I paid for this outfit originally. But I can see the doll's painted on bathing suit. All right, Destiny, you're up. This is the pink and red heart dress that comes with a bag and red heels. I also got a oversized Jurassic World tee with a yellow necklace and silver colored glasses. I picked up a couple of skateboards for $1.25. The skateboards are pretty decent and a great size for Barbie. The accessories are probably better suited for smaller dolls like LOL Surprise or Calico Critters. The trucks on the boards are metal, so that's pretty cool. We found a few things for our smaller dolls as well, like Lala Loopsy pajamas. They are a decent size fit for a Chelsea-sized doll. This Chelsea doll is on a Barbie Extra Mini body, and I think we can still get away with it. You might just need to pull it back a little so it fits the neck a little better. I picked up this mini doll bed for $1.25. It's plastic and hollow on the other side, but it does have a cute little headboard and footboard. Here's our Barbie Extra Mini, our Barbie Extra Mini Chelsea, and LOL Surprise. There was a white couch that can be used for our mini dolls. It's a good size for our little Chelsea hybrid and Barbie Extra Minis. This little vanity is the last piece I found. It doesn't have a mirror, but we could always add one with like some stickers, and it comes with a little stool. It's a good height for the Barbie Extra Minis. However, since they're a little top heavy, mine just keeps falling over. Here it is with an LOL Surprise doll. I was in line at the checkout and I couldn't resist taking a look at this. It's a little activity kit. They're magnets, and inside we have little magnetic clothes. So they're kind of like paper dolls, but with magnets. The dolls are on a little card, and I think we can just place it in the lid. We have Brooklyn and Malibu here, and then we can just put their clothes on top. Come on. It should stay. This works a little better if you're playing on a flat surface. The magnets aren't very strong. I thought maybe this could be fun for traveling, so I don't know, it might work. I always could just use our own paper dolls designed by Bella in her Frog Food series that are available to download and print from our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. Just throwing that out there. Out of all my finds today, the crafted box room is definitely my favorite. I see a lot of potential here to create a lot of different rooms. And since the rooms are really two different pieces, we can rearrange them to create different floor plans and angles, giving us lots of options in the dollhouse. I'm gonna place this in my shed. I made sure that it could fit on my bookcase, so I'm really excited to add this diorama to my room. And it's made of wood. I have plans for a kitchen, so be sure to check back for our next build. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some fun finds and made a few crafts from the Dollar Tree. And if you don't have a Dollar Tree, I have seen these wood panels available on Amazon. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.